see me break the tape measure. It's not sticking. Oh. Well, I already started recording, so. Look at we're filming our filming of filming.
Dude.
Look at that piss jug.
Filming a piss jug.
Let's
go.
When you gotta go.
You gotta go.
You gotta go.
Amen.
Should we do it this way? No, we can't be religious. We'll offend the internet.
Oh God, that's right. Oh, I said God. It's a
noise. Oh God. Perfect. Minty fresh. Well,
it's been a week.
It's been a week or two. I don't remember when we did stuff.
It's been a hot minute.
We put eyeballs on things.
We did do that, yeah.
Yeah.
A couple of things around the shop.
A couple of things. What should we talk about? The new thing, like the big one, the big silver one. You know, that long, strong, and silver cylinder. We're gonna make a video about it.
I honestly have no idea what you're talking about. I think that makes us even better.
The gas, dude.
Oh, yes.
What else would I be talking about?
We got liquid argon.
We've gone liquid.
It's
Nobody's died yet.
Yeah, it's been a bit of a challenge.
That we overcame.
Yeah. So yeah, in the future we'll have a video kind of going through our setup.
Not that far in the future, probably in the next week or two.
Yeah.
And then we'll get busy and it'll be 3 or 4 weeks.
Probably.
With holidays.
Yeah. But yeah, we couldn't really find much information on putting together a liquid argon setup for a shop our size. There were videos on like the cryogenic setups.
I was gonna say, I mean, it's not really an our size thing. We just didn't want to pay a cryo team to come out here and do it for us.
Yeah. So we got our setup pretty much dialed. I mean, we had a couple leaks in the beginning, but
I mean, that's why we had to figure it out.
yeah.
That was the name of the game.
So stay tuned for that. That's exciting.
It's educational. I don't know if I'd call it exciting. You could bring out the magic school bus and fucking shrink down to the molecules inside the tank. It might be exciting.
Put our animation caps on. Just frizzle that shit.
Yeah.
Alright, what else?
We did a few exhaust things.
Yeah. Start with Goblin.
Yeah, that counts. The DF Goblin.
Neither of us had heard of one of those until we got a customer come in wanting a custom exhaust for his. So
that's not true. He didn't want a custom exhaust. He just wanted a not shitty looking exhaust.
that's true.
So he was purely after the aesthetics of beautifulness.
Yeah.
And we delivered it.
This is true.
Yeah.
So it's a kit car that's based on a Chevy Cobalt engine and transmission. And you get it, and it's just the tube frame, and you toss all your shit in it, and they're really freaking fast. But the stock muffler leaves a little to be desired. So
it's pretty ugly.
We whipped something up, and he's pretty happy with it. So.
Yep. And we're gonna develop a few other styles too. Just for that vehicle, and we're gonna sell them on our new upcoming website.
True that. What is it? Forever Fabrication Parts?
Nope, it's Forever Fab Parts.
Okay. Excuse me.
Yeah, I tried to make it short. But there'll be links through all the regular websites anyway. So.
Yep. So the two websites are gonna link to each other. So it'll be pretty.
So you'll never know there's two websites.
Yeah.
Unless you really pay attention to your
URL.
URLs.
Yeah. But it's going to be where we're going to be selling some more performance-oriented stuff, just to kind of separate it from the cat shield.
We've never really talked about the cat shield on this platform.
That's true.
We make catalytic converter protectors for vehicles quite often, so you're going to see them around the shop.
Yeah.
Being made. You might see some videos of us making new ones for vehicles or custom ones for vehicles.
That's our main squeeze, you know.
Yeah, that's our main production squeeze. But with the DF Goblin, we're starting our other production line. That didn't kick it off. That's not what kicked it off. Something else kicked it off. Well, the video's already posted, so I guess we can talk about it.
Yeah.
The instructional video's out there. We made a kit for an RX-7 FD, a V-mount intercooler radiator kit. It's just not for sale yet, but it will be on our new site once all the dynoing's done and it gets crispily perfected.
Yeah.
So we put the ingredients together. That's somebody needs to fry that son of a bitch. What else do we do?
We did a Trans Am. That was fun.
You lost sleep over that car, I'm pretty sure.
Yep. Yes, I did.
Yep. All thanks to stressful instructions is the nicest way I can put it.
Customer was very particular about what exactly he wanted.
Which you can't blame him for.
No, it's understandable.
It is.
For an F body, it was a pretty low car. So squeezing his Flowmasters under there was a bit of a stretch, but...
Customer bought Flowmasters.
Yes.
We don't use them.
Like the Stainless Bros ones,
We use
sitting right up there.
But I think those are thicker though.
They are thicker?
Well, I think they might have a low profile one. We just haven't used it yet.
Yeah. Because, yeah, that is taller than the Flowmaster.
Yeah, but it's not as wide. Not that that fucking matter, but...
Regardless, it was pretty tricky to fit it in there. It was also both of our first time doing an H-pipe. So
we do more X-pipes quite often.
Yeah. I think there's more of a point to an X-pipe. Like, you get the exhaust scavenging, you get...
Yeah.
I feel like you get better tuning potential out of an X-pipe than you do an H-pipe. But H-pipes do sound pretty killer, so...
But X-pipes are way easier to fabricate.
That's the truth, yeah.
Cam, I think there's a hole in your pipe.
Oh, no!
That's what I call a holy pipe.
Also an over-the-axle car.
Also over the axle, which makes it a little shitty. Just we had to change pipe sizing, which was kind of expected.
Yeah.
We just didn't know exactly at what point.
Yeah.
Hooker headers.
Yeah, those were a little disappointing. I've heard good things about hookers, but... These hookers suck, yo.
Paid extra for those. Yeah, hooker headers are they're a thing that you can buy on the internet if you have an old car, and they'll send them to you.
They do fit.
This is not promoted by Hooker, by the way.
Yeah, definitely.
It is partially promoted by Stainless Bros, but not at all by Stainless Bros. We just like their shit better. Well, I should say too, like the clips for the Pontiac, we only got a cold start. I don't know.
Yeah.
We don't like to mess with people's cars too much other than make parts for them, so when
Yeah.
certain cars come in, we give the owner the choice on what they want to do, and we just might film it or not, so.
Yeah. So.
It still sounded pretty sweet.
There's a no, it's an Oldsmobile engine in it. It's a 403 Olds.
I know tuner car. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
There's a big engine in there.
It's an interesting engine to put in that. Because that car should have had a 400 Pontiac block, but fuck it, 403 Olds. Why not?
Whatever. But then the weirdest car we got, which it was a small job, but still it was weird, was this Mercedes, what was it, a C550 or something like that?
I think so, yeah.
I've never really noticed it. It's a car that you just wouldn't notice. Or at least I did. I don't know shit about Euro cars. But the dude got aftermarket headers put on, wanted to keep the stock exhaust.
So
it was going to be a track car anyway, which seems weird to keep the stock exhaust then. Drove to his open header. That thing was wicked sounding.
Yeah.
And we made it shut the fuck up.
Yeah, that was like car alarms, 2 blocks away kind of loud. It was wicked.
But good on us, we didn't get a video of that. We did get a video of it after we fabricated the small little connections we had to do from the new headers to the stock exhaust.
Yeah, they were about that long each.
Yeah.
Well, with the flex pipe, probably that long. But
It was still like that long. It wasn't all pipe, it was flex.
yeah, that's true.
But we do those jobs kind of often. People do turbo setups or header setups so that just don't match up with stock, and or if not even their aftermarket exhaust, they just don't match up anymore.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of times we just do adapter stuff like that. It's necessary. Or we just make a whole new exhaust, which I wish we would have done in that car.
Yeah, same.
That would have sounded cool.
Would have sounded pretty sweet.
Maybe he'll be back. Maybe he'll see this video and he's like, damn, they're right.
Yeah, come on, man.
We're waiting.
Yep, anytime.
Call us.
Not quite anytime, but
Don't call me anytime.
Schedule it.
I have kids. Did we do anything else? We got our logos for welding on the stuff from our friends they're not our friends, but the people we use.
Yeah, they don't know us, but
They don't. Well, they know us because they bug us a lot because we design shit.
we design stuff and send it to them, and they're like, "Yeah, we can't do this."
Yep. And we're like, we could do that. Give us the stuff.
But yeah, it's a company called Send Cut Send. If you order from them, they send you candy, which is pretty sweet.
They do give you a piece of candy in every box.
Every box.
Which we didn't know until we looked in we got one in one box. We were like, where's it in the other box? And we found it after it was in the garbage.
Yeah,
I still made you eat it though.
You can't just be throwing away Swedish fish.
So we do our own plasma cutting here, but stuff that's this small and out of these types of metals, like this one's titanium.
Yeah. We just don't have the cut definition for it.
No.
I mean, look at the...
Yeah, their tolerances are crazy.
Crazy. So, pretty sweet stuff coming from them.
Yep. And we got more stuff coming from them. We got prototypes coming in the next week, but obviously the holidays might poop on that a little bit. We have a new commercial that's going to drop soon too. I don't know when. I don't even know if I'm going to add that in this video. But we did finish filming a commercial.
This is true. Bloom, that's his name.
Eric Bloom.
I was really struggling to remember that.
If you ever need any stuff from an awesome videographer, or I think he does photos too.
I think so.
They usually do both.
And you're in the Minneapolis, St. Paul area.
I mean, you could pay him to go anywhere. I'm pretty sure, if you pay him enough, he'll go. But this is just where he is.
Yeah.
He does cool car shit too. But yeah. He did a video for us. He did our last video too, where we announced that we had a second location at JWP. And I guess that's all we got.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, for our first video, I think it's all right. We're gonna do better. I'm excited to see the progress of these videos because that's really what I want to see, the growth and change and how we can better them.
Yeah.
So I'm open to constructive criticism.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, and I mean I know this one's really just gonna be clips with us talking about the projects we're working on.
In.
Yeah, because we don't always film everything with the intent of talking about it. I think we're going to end up shooting them a little different, where we're going to talk about it either prior, during, and after, possibly.
Yeah.
So it can be more of a progressional video, where this one's just, fuck, this is just clips.
Yeah, you'll probably see a little bit more of me holding the camera, kind of as I and other employees are like working through stuff, like little snippets, and you'll get kind of more of a, this is how a project goes.
More in depth of me just randomly showing up with a camera behind your head.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, well, that's a wrap. Dude, we should make one of those things.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
It would be.
Do we have to say the part where you gotta like and follow and stuff?
Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, comment, share with all your best friends. Even
Only your best friends.
Even your enemies.
And your enemies. Not my enemies. Don't share this with my enemies, because they don't like me. I have one.